Hello guys, in this video we are going in detail about the instruction cycle. The instruction cycle is the time taken by the CPU to fetch and execute one simple machine instruction. The instruction cycle is the basic operation of the CPU which consists of three steps: fetch, decode and execute. I'm talking about the instruction cycle. The machine cycle is also part of the instruction cycle. The computer system's main function is to execute the program. The computer program consists of set of instructions. The CPU is responsible for executing these program instructions. It consists of two steps: fetch and execute. Fetch is the process of fetching some data, and execute is the process of executing the operation. This diagram is the basic block diagram of the instruction cycle. This block diagram consists of four steps: start, fetch cycle, and execution cycle, and halt. Once the operation starts, the data is fetched and the operation is executed, and the cycle checks for another instruction. If there is another instruction, cycle goes on. Once all instruction is fetched, it goes to halt. First, we are going to see about the fetch cycle. In the first step, the CPU carries to fetch some data and instructions from main memory and then store them in the temporary memory areas. These memory areas are called the registers. This is called the fetch part of the cycle. For this to happen, the CPU makes use of a virtual hardware part called the address bus. CPU places the address of the next item to be fetched on the address bus. Data from this address then moves from the main memory into the CPU by traveling along another hardware part called the database. Execute cycle. This is the part of the cycle where data processing actually takes place. The instruction is carried out upon the data is executed. The result of this processing is stored in another register. Once the execute stage is complete, the CPU sets to begin another cycle once more. Thank you guys. Love you 3000 times.